Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to clean your earbuds SKULLCANDY Jib True. In front of me I have cleaning tool and I'm going to use this brush, but if you haven't cleaning tool you can also use a toothbrush. And I'm going to use isopropyl alcohol. It doesn't conduct electricity, so there will be no short circuit. Now I'm going to apply isopropyl alcohol at the charging contacts at my left and right earbud. And also at the charging contacts at my charging case. Here we go. Now let's clean the charging contacts with a with a brush. Here we go. Now let's move to the right one. And inside the charging case. And the left one. Now let's clean the grill, so we need to remove ear tips and slightly clean it. Here we go. Now we can attach ear tip. And let's move to the right one. And also slightly clean it. And then let's attach ear tip. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!